game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. We are actually going to be bagging another car. Let's open up shop. Just got here. We're gonna pull out my TL. I don't think we're gonna do anything work to it. We'll see. But yep, just gotta get my Starbucks drink, boy. You already know. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but the hit I got from the CRV. What do you mean? Working with their insurance right now. I have a few guys coming over here. We got Green Chris, Tim, and we got Laz, which is what we're gonna do the bags on. Good, good being back over here. Alright guys, this is my famous TL. It's crazy how much it's gone, but moving on to better things. Huh?
Here's the airlines.
He's on.
Kit. Another kit. I don't know where I got two.
Look at this one.
What is in the little secret box that you got?
RV6 strap bar.
Oh yeah.
Let me see what the cat
Alright, so putting his car two bags.
Sir.
You got his RV6 strut bar, looks so good, the red.
I'm gonna go with the
Where'd you get it from?
RV6 performance.
Oh, the actual website? Okay. This is before shot.
It took like a week to get there. It didn't take that long.
We ain't gonna go crazy with the app, the install, because there's plenty of videos already out. So you can watch my videos, it's a 3-part video. But this is a stock height right now. He's stock suspension, and we're gonna go ahead and bag him.
The free shit.
And while we're doing it, we're gonna put his RV6 strut bar. All right. Skipped a lot, but we got it fully installed. His gear setup is just kind of whatever for now. Because we took my stand out. My stand was here. We had this hole, so I just put this trim for now to get some other stuff. But this is basically my trunk setup and his. Yeah, we'll put the wheels on, air them down, and finally put the back seats after, make sure everything's good. But yeah, we're almost there. So this is Laz. We're gonna do his first air out. So you hold down the bottom to air out. Yeah, the last one. Maybe you gotta double tap it. Double tap and hold it. With your feet. Dude, it looks so good with the waffles.
Damn. That's crazy.
Dude, he is tucking.
And that shit tucked into.
That shit's lower than fucking low. God damn. So my shit would be lower when I put a lip.
You didn't. I didn't even talk.
Well, at least now.
You didn't think it'd take that long.
Oh, the rear bumper?
Yeah.
It came out fresh. Look at it. So this is it. The camera does not do it. It looks more blue in camera. It's not actually not blue at all, really. But the camera, it kind of looks blue. But it looks so good. I think this is day. I don't know, whatever day. He actually put in the back handle. We kind of got the hang of it, so now we're gonna do this handle. It looks good. It looks very good. He's still got to do the roof. Yeah.
Hold it. See if I did it good and.
All right, let's do it. Unlock it, maybe. I mean, I gotta unlock the car. Oh, this is so annoying. Can you reach it from there?
Hold on, it's not okay. Now it's going.
Toolbox update. We got Mac and Mac and Mac and Expert and Mac and Spurt and Mac and
And
Spurt.
the Expert himself, sponsored by what are you wearing? Diamond Supply.
Diamond, sponsored by Artwork, After Dark Signworks, sponsored by Swerve, sponsored by H2O Creations, sponsored by
Dylan. Sponsored by
Fast
Dylan.
Boy,
Fast Boy.
Ellie. I'm just kidding. Stop saying that.
What's going on right here? What do we have going on? We're right here with Green Chris.
I like it.
You like gay? Okay. Is this bitch still thirsty? He's taking more water? So, you want to explain to him what you've done to this one? I know that this is not a TL, but here I'm at the Customs. We work on any type of vehicle.
Yeah, we put a water flow gasket in. We want to make sure it don't leak because
Right here, it leaked all this. Demi didn't do it right, you know. He went with a paper gasket instead of going OEM because we only do OEM, but he went paper and.
Let's try it. It looks just like
This is what happens for going with a paper gasket. You see all this? This guy right here, paper gasket.
That's all you leaked.
We got Dylan over there with the base 6-speed, Mr. Fast Boy.
Alright. What's the temperature at
Follow
Noah?
his IG right here somewhere.
Order? What does it normally stay at, do you know?
Like usually like half.
Well,
Like when I was driving, when I took mom to the hospital, that shit was like all the way up there.
I feel like Diamond Duncan.
Now that you replaced it, it stays colder now.
Up with the bench being covered.
And we'll come back after this short message.
Bye.
Deal, maybe green, but
I really like this one though.
I don't know how much you'll charge me to do a new set. So I'm just curious. I guess I could ask. At least.
It's a long wait time for sure. I'm pretty sure right now he's so packed up. Like I'm still waiting for my carbon fiber dash.
Oh yeah.
I sent him the cover light.
Yeah.
Just send it straight to his address, the new one. And then we can do the carbon fiber. That one, it was alright. I think you do the dash better because it's like less curvy.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I sold all that. Because like I just want to, like, just the dash. I ain't gonna go more show no more. But a nice dash would be nice.
Right.
So I can't wait for that. He's like, you sure? Because you get in an accident. Like. All right. So we got Paul over here. He stopped by to visit the Mythik custom shop. Like everyone else, I think if you're a TL enthusiast in Cali, you should always stop by here. I think this should be one of the stopping points for TL guys, is the shop. But we got him, he's a supercharger. We'll see what he does. Robin?
The street.
Oh yeah, literally this street is like, it's like not the public street, it's just like a straight down street. There's nothing there. And you can stop anytime, it goes far. And you can loop back if you want to and do another one. That's good. Oh, I'm sorry. You don't have to do it. I'm gonna try to get this before my GoPro dies. Not bad. For sure. I feel like I didn't hear the scream. That's good. But when you're in the car, you hear it. You literally hear it winding up. There it is.
Wow.
That looks so good. Dude, the two perspectives on here look so dope. Okay, I don't know what else we're gonna do in this video. Guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna have a few guys come. We got Tim, we're gonna do some work too. Eric's coming from Modesto. We're gonna be doing some work, not to his car, but to a few other guys' car. So I'm gonna take you guys along what we do today. So on today's episode, Santi, you guys got a car running today.
Finally, she's been sitting for a week. She's always sitting, I feel like.
We're doing Brembo. So go look at the other side, and then we got these bad boys right here. So nice.
Upgrading to the big boy brakes. See, this is garbage.
Yeah, I think got the hot Cheetos back here.
Modesto Mike?
Shout out, Mike.
Shout out Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Baller Tim's gonna have a shark mouth, he said pretty soon.
Try to get some wheels before I try to get some tires. Look at this, guys. Try to get some tires.
Look at his name on the whiteboard.
Oh man, it's on his name on the Baller Tim dropped the camera. Hey, look at the, ever since you bought the new batteries, they work pretty good now.
Yeah, I know.
The 6-speed, you know. Oh, you put the wheel on there? Nice. You sit in here, you know. You gotta sit. Ugh. Oh wow, that's nice. How do you do this? Do you pull this down or up?
What?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
that's cool.
who did your ball joints? Sonky?
You?
The guy at the shop? The shop
This is nice right here, you know.
One tip?
Oh shit.
Why?
This is hella notchy.
It was cheaper. Oh, by $10.
Like 20, I believe.
But yeah, I noticed it was not my ball joints.
Have a heart.
And he didn't do a good job either. Yeah, he let his son practice on my car.
Wow.
Right in there.
Is it like barely touching it?
No, not anymore.
Let me see. That's kind of close. Kind of close then.
When I take the wheel.
Let's see, put it together, put it. Oh yeah, that's like close. You got like a hairline of space.
We'll see. We'll see.
Gotcha.
We'll do after though. Instead of leave the brakes. Alright.
Fucking moving.
Alright, we're gonna install a tuxedo catback exhaust on Mythik Customs car. I'm just kidding.
Nah.
Damn.
I ripped the box hella, bro. I was trying to carry this shit by myself earlier.
Oh, the pink slip is put on the chair for now. Alright, so we are laying it out. I think he paid around 800 bucks for this whole exhaust setup with tax and everything. And this is it. You got your main piece right here, then it goes to the Y and it splits off. And what's nice about aftermarket exhaust is actually it actually splits.
right way?
Something like that, yeah. Because the hangers for the top. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's very nice. That way it's easy to work on. So we're gonna go ahead and remove his pain in the ass one that probably never been taken off before.
Nope. You probably fucking bolted on there for years, boy.
So we're gonna
rusted as fuck.
do that. We might skip that part because we probably already have a video of doing exhaust work already. But I'll show you guys when I put on the new one. Give it a rev, like hit it with your hand.
Sounds better.
Give it a rev. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. All right, gonna do rev limiter. Doesn't sound raspy at all.
That smells like gas.
Sound raspy enough. It sounds pretty good.
All right.
Recorded before.
Like the top.
I'm gonna give you consent. Nah, I'm just kidding.
All right, we are putting the ATLP 3-piece spoiler. Here's just the middle piece, not the end pieces. The end pieces is somewhere
Pieces are in the trunk.
in the trunk. We took off the stock spoiler. Where's the stock one at?
This way.
So we took off the stock spoiler right here. Very easy to do.
Hey, which seats does just come with the gray ones, huh?
You asked me the worst time, Laz.
Mine came with the fucking beige color gray one.
Anyways,
What are you recording for?
could you like to talk? So you take off these 2 8-mils before you pull this off because you will break this. And to access it, you just pull off the carpet under here, and there's 2 8-mils, and this thing pops off like nothing. And before you put the ATLP one, you do got to take off these right here and that's what we're doing. It comes off easy. Just put like a flat head and pinch it, and it pulls right off. Alright, got all the plastic off because then now the double side tape will lay evenly. We're gonna clean this up and then clean it up and put some deglosser to clean up any wax. Alright, so we cleaned up all the right there and not over here. We cleaned up all the big heavy glue off using this Goo Gone, wiping it over with deglosser. This just removes all the wax and stuff. That way it sticks better. It's like using alcohol, but like for paint. Yeah, so we got everything off. Test fit and heat up the tape. I'm gonna stick it on. All right, so we're gonna line up the end pieces now. We ended up using a heat gun before sticking it, and now it's on. But you want to close this completely because you won't be able to line it up without closing it completely, and then you'll be able to line it up when it closed. So make sure you have it completely closed. Don't try to line it up when it's in the air, then you might be off a little bit. So heavy.
Yeah, that's fucking heavy, bro. It's all that sound bender shit.
Alright, so we just got done. He got a paint mask. This was actually originally carbon fiber, and he got this from Heel Toe. But unfortunately, when ATLP shipped it either to Heel Toe or they drop shipped it straight to Louise, it had a little bit of fade wears on these pieces, huh? Yeah. No, this was fine? Yeah, that was fine. He had like a little bit of clear fade or something, so he ended up just going with a color match. Which sucks, because he could have got the cheaper one. Yeah. You know, but no, came out good. I think this is one of the best 3rd gen spoilers out there. Look at that.
You know how to back up, right?
And yeah, once it gets hard to get. I had this one on for like 2 years on my tee out, and I never had an issue with the tape provided falling off. I always get worried with people when they lean on it, but just try to avoid that. That looks good.